Are you tired of your daily commute, or maybe you're looking for a way to earn money from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place. Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee and starting your workday without ever leaving your house. Sounds amazing, right? Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there are plenty of work-from-home jobs out there, even if you have zero experience. In today's video, I'll share 5 of the best work-from-home jobs that are perfect for beginners. Plus, I'll give you a bonus tip at the end, so make sure you watch till the last second. Ready to start your work-from-home journey? Let's dive in. First on our list is freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, you can earn money by creating blog posts, product descriptions, or website content. Many companies and bloggers need content, and they're willing to pay for it. The best part? You don't need a degree or prior experience. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Textbroker can help you find your first writing gig. So if you love expressing your thoughts through words, this could be a great fit for you. Next, we have virtual assistant jobs. Many business owners and entrepreneurs are too busy to handle their day-to-day tasks, so they hire virtual assistants, VAs, to help. As a VA, you might manage emails, schedule appointments, handle social media, or even do data entry. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good with communication, this can be an easy way to start making money from home. Websites like Belay, Fancy Hands, and Time Extra are great places to find VA jobs. Do you enjoy teaching? Then online tutoring could be the perfect work-from-home job for you. Many students around the world need help with subjects like English, math, and science. And guess what? You don't need a teaching degree to get started. Websites like VIPKid, Cambly, and TutorMe allow you to teach English or other subjects and get paid for it. All you need is a laptop, a stable internet connection, and a passion for teaching. Next up, we have data entry jobs. This is one of the easiest work-from-home jobs because all you need is basic typing skills. Many companies need people to enter data into spreadsheets, databases, or online forms. It's simple, doesn't require experience, and can be done on a flexible schedule. Check out FlexJobs, ClickWorker, and Amazon Mechanical Turk to find beginner-friendly data entry jobs. Do you have good communication skills? Then you might enjoy working as a customer service representative. Many companies hire remote workers to handle customer inquiries via phone, email, or live chat. These jobs usually pay hourly wages and sometimes even offer benefits. Companies like Amazon, LiveOps, and Alorica regularly hire customer service reps, so be sure to check them out. And here's a bonus tip. Why not start a side hustle while working from home? You can make money by selling handmade products on Etsy, blogging, or even starting a YouTube channel like this one. Building a side hustle takes time, but once it grows, it can become a full-time income source. So there you have it, 5 of the best work-from-home jobs for beginners. Which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.